Okay, hi guys, welcome back to our channel. And sadly, Leanna's not here, but she has been in our previous videos. And we're gonna be
we have to have it.
We're gonna be playing with slime today.
We're doing slime pet peeves.
Pet peeves. Okay. Okay, so why do I got smaller?
Oh, it just stopped. It's a video.
Really?
Come on. Anyways, our first pet peeve is when they talk and why they fuck with slime.
Yeah, let's just make bubbles. Let's just try to
Let me do it.
And then we're gonna
Hello.
And then we're gonna put stuff in our slime. And then we're gonna put stuff in our slime.
No, we're not.
Why?
Hello.
I made like stuff we can get out.
Okay, our next pet peeves is... What pet peeves do you want?
I don't know what that is.
Something that's satisfying.
Ooh. I guess making bubbles.
No!
By putting shaving cream into slime.
No, we're not putting
Yeah, it
shaving
is.
cream in.
I don't know, but it would be.
Okay. Our next pet peeve is when they poke with one finger.
Easy.
Slowly. She's not enjoying it.
No, it's not satisfying at all.
And our next pet peeve is when they poke
Making a swirl.
Oh yeah, making a swirl.
Okay, so I got an easy one. I know an easy way to do
That's
it.
satisfying, not unsatisfying. When they do not know how to make one, a swirl.
Yeah, this is what people do when they don't want to make a swirl and they don't want to be lazy. Just swirl it like that. But then it looks like unsatisfying.
Look it, I know how to do. Okay, this is the people that talk. I know how to do a swirl. People just, they're haters.
They're over dramatic.
See? That doesn't even look
I've
like
taught you how to make a swirl.
I know how to make a swirl.
I've taught you.
It's a pet peeve. Sorry. Our next pet peeve is... What's our next pet peeve?
Try to see if it's stretchy.
Yeah, when it's not stretchy.
But it is stretchy, so...
You have to make... you.
Oh, wow, that's cheating.
Shut up!
That's cheating.
Pause this. Oh, wait.
Who can make this? Listen next.
When they do this...
Really? You want to go, bro?
Okay, next pet peeve is...
Yeah.
You know. Okay, our next pet peeve is when they poke way too fast.
Oh. There's not really any cooking noise like this. It's like the.
When they leave, it's...
Wait, let's do slow motion with 3 fingers. You can hear some clicking noise. But you're just doing yours way too long. I'm like just doing it fast.
This is how it's supposed to be.
Oh, okay.
Our next pet peeve is... What is our next pet peeve?
Ooh, so you can stretch. Wait.
No, that's satisfying, not unsatisfying.
Oh.
Get out! I got it! What was that about, girl? It's still on my head?
No, it's not.
Let me see.
It's all wrong. Look in the mirror.
I can't look in the mirror.
Even though some got my sandal. Does that see?
I look awful. Anyways, okay, next, let's continue.
Some got my toes.
All right, our next pet peeve. What's our next pet peeve, huh?
I don't know. Wait, we're gonna do unsatisfying or satisfying?
We're doing unsatisfying.
Putting things into slime.
No, we're not putting any.
Like this. Like just like this.
Okay, I have some stuff here that I would like to mix in. No, just kidding.
Oh, it's gonna be food coloring.
No.
Yeah, I can. See, it's pink. Small pink. See?
When they mix this into their slime.
And then we mix the cap.
Oh my god, guys, this is so satisfying!
It's not satisfying.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna have to try to find it.
I found it already.
I know, I was trying to hide it. It's right here.
Was this supposed to be a genie?
I think so.
When the color doesn't come out right.
It comes out like a
When you put coloring in it, but it turns out the same color.
It looks like it sort of changed color.
Shush.
Sure.
So it's still the same.
Really?
Okay, what's our next pet peeve?
I don't know.
Okay. When the slime is not showing in the camera.
Okay, I put a lot of.
All right, our next pet peeve is.
Wait, we could put lipstick in here and then we'll still go.
I don't have lipstick. Oh wait, yeah. No, I'm not putting any. Get in trouble.
How will she ever know? How will she know? You're gonna tell her?
Oh, true. She doesn't look at her lipstick anymore.
Yeah. So she didn't put on lipstick.
when they put the camera way too far in the slime.
It's like butter slime, but then we didn't make it butter slime.
Okay, guys. All right, guys. This is all we have for today.
No, the lipstick.
That's satisfying, not unsatisfying. All right, guys. That's all the pet peeves we have for today. We'll think of more. So goodbye. Say bye.
Bye.